Are you still manually calculating your tax every time an invoice gets paid? When I first started freelancing, I spent more time in spreadsheets than actually doing the work I was being paid for. I moved my business banking to Monzo because I needed a system that worked as hard as I did, and after using it to manage my income for the past year, these are the tools that actually make a difference for a solo setup. The absolute game changer is the tax pot. If you're on the Pro plan, you can set a specific percentage, say 20 or 30%, to automatically strip away from every incoming payment and drop into a locked pot. It's set and forget. By the time January rolls around, the money for HMRC is already sitting there, untouched and earning interest, so there's no last-minute panic. Then there's the invoicing tool. Instead of firing up a separate laptop or using a clunky Word template, I can draft and send a professional invoice directly from the app in about 30 seconds. It includes a pay-by-bank link for the client, and the second they pay, Monzo matches the transaction to the invoice and marks it as paid. It saves me at least an hour of admin every single week. For my day-to-day spending, I rely on virtual cards. I have a specific virtual card linked to my software pot. All my subscriptions, Adobe, Zoom, and Slack, are billed to that card. Because the money comes directly out of that specific pot and not my main balance, I always know exactly how much real profit I have left to spend. Finally, the Sage-powered tax filing is the newest addition that really rounds everything out. For 2026, being able to file directly to HMRC from the app under the new Making Tax Digital rules is a massive relief. It pulls your categorized transactions and digital receipts, which you should be snapping photos of as you go, and does the heavy lifting for you. If you're tired of the mental math of freelancing, these tools aren't just features, they're a full-time assistant in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.